Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
Hello there, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne, and I have so missed you. So I just wanted to share this video. It's just of me doing a quick refresh of my summer 2024 bedroom makeover. I am in love with just the subtle updates that I've made to my bedroom, and I'm trying to incorporate into my home. I don't go themey with my decor, as you guys know. I just like to keep it very natural, but I do like to refresh season to season. And I am adding back in a beautiful shade of blue to the bedding. It's very lightweight. I picked it up at HomeSense a couple of months ago, actually, in the beginning of spring. I happened to be in HomeSense and I saw this beautiful quilted bedding set, so I snagged it and I've been holding it. And right now I'm just going in. I removed all of the decor. I'm just going in and lightly dusting. I'm going to spray everything down, and then we're going to incorporate back in a nice fresh airy decor feeling for summer. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. I have been taking a break here on this channel with uploading because I have been so involved with my outdoor channel, which is Daphne's Outdoor Living. So if you're not already following me over there, the channel is always linked in the description, and you definitely should head over. We are having so much fun over there doing outdoor decorating, cleaning, planning. Everything that has to do with the outdoors is going on out there, and I am so happy for this time of year when we can just be outside and enjoy the environment. So make sure that you head over there. So I love starting with my bed. We're just going to be adding back in some sheets. These are some striped sheets that we always have. They're in a darker gray color, and it has a light gray stripe. I love these because they're so cool. I love making the bed with them. And then we're going in with this is a duvet cover, but I don't put the duvet in it. I just love the what is this called? Paisley motif that it has on it. It really grounds the bed setting. And I'm just showing you here a close-up of the actual quilt set that we picked up from HomeSense. And I'm just going to take it out. I'm going to throw it in the washing machine and dry it. And while I'm waiting for that to finish, we're just going to go in and just decorate the other areas in the room. If you're enjoying the video, make sure that you leave me a home emoji in the comment section. If you're new here or if you haven't commented in a while, make sure that you introduce yourself. I absolutely love chatting it up with you, and let me know where you're watching from. So on this day, I have all of the windows open, the blinds up, and I love the stream of beautiful sunlight that is casting in the room. So I am really enjoying it. This is in the evening. It's around like 6:30 or so. And the light is absolutely beautiful on this day. It's clear, it's sunny, it's shining. I absolutely love it. I think it's about 81 or 82 degrees, and it's a beautiful low humidity day. So I'm still enjoying that plush chair and a half that we added in during the spring season. I really enjoy that cozy, comfortable chair as opposed to the blue one that we used to have. So I'm really glad that I swapped it out. Now, during our recent dining room makeover, I had borrowed the curtains from up here to just take a look and see if I liked them, because I was on the hunt for new curtains. So I'm just swapping the actual curtains that we added in here during spring back into the room. They're a linen-y, neutrally beige color, and I really like them, how they frame out the windows. Now, in the meantime, I went downstairs and I grabbed the bedding, so we're just going to layer it in here on the bed. The stitching on this bed comforter is absolutely beautiful. I bought one maybe about 1 or 2 years ago from West Elm, very similar, and the quality of this one is so much better than the West Elm one. And I have to say, the West Elm one was almost $200, and this one was so reasonable because it was at HomeSense. So I absolutely love it. I'm so glad that I saw it and I purchased it and tucked it away until now, when I can just, enjoy it, put it on the bed, and really make a statement in the room. So we're just adding in the final touches, and then we're going to go into the reveal. I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, so I'm so happy to be bringing you a new video. So until the next time, and I will keep you posted in the community tab, but we are looking to sprinkle in some videos during this summer season, so make sure that you're on the lookout. Make sure your notification bell is turned on so you'll know each time that I upload a video. So until that time, have a blessed day. But if you do want to stay updated with me, make sure you go over to Daphne's Outdoor Living. Have a blessed day.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.